what we are planning is, okay, sir, whatever the amount you are asking, it may be either less amount. So what the bank is telling means, sir, our policy is like this. So you can increase whatever. If your income is less means no problem, increase your credit score, so, or reduce the loan amount so that you may have the chances of getting the loan approved. So in that aspect, you plan on these three scenarios. If the bank official is explaining like this means, then or in the panel itself it is displayed for getting loan approved, these three parameters should be you have to maintain. That is, loan amount should be reasonable, income should be high, credit score should be high, then your loan got approved means, then while coming itself a customer will have the confidence that my loan will approved. So no one can tell anything, right? So here you can see I am maintaining 70, 80, 50. So what happened? 4.4 is the weight given for the income. 0.5 is the high preference. Minus 0.6 is the loan amount, least preference. So if I do all these things, I am getting the answer 38. But what happened? 38 is lesser than the threshold what the bank is maintaining. So automatically loan will get rejected. In the example 2, what I am showing, income is 90, credit score is 85, loan amount is 40. I am reducing. So what happened automatically? My loan got approved. That is 54.5. That's it. This is what we are trying to explain. Now you can able to understand in a numerical manner. Lesser than threshold, greater than threshold. Each and every company has its own threshold values. So based on the threshold, if it is lesser or greater, automatically the decision will be taken. Okay, I hope it is understandable. So it improves the transparency, it builds customer trust. If you go to that bank means on seeing the parameters, I am satisfied, my loan will. Then how many customers will come to your bank? No need to stand, no need to explain. I itself know my loan will be accepted. Then go ahead. If you go to another bank means they don't tell at all. Well, it may have approved or rejected. We have to wait for a week. Then manager will call you. He has to tell, sorry, your loan is rejected. But why? Instead of that, on seeing the chart itself, you made a decision and the bank decision is also same. Then your trust will become. This is decided by the model. So automatically my loan got sanctioned. I will start my own works. This is how explainable AI will work in all aspects. Okay, so in the last part, so these are all the things. So in the next session, we are going to see what is mean by all these things: interpretability, what is explainability, what is transparency, and fairness. These are all the three main pillars of a explainable AI. First one is on AI model. It depends on three key terms. One is called interpretability. Interpretability means I can able to interpret the decision of a AI system. This is what I have explained till now, that is called interpretability. If I can able to interpret, okay, based on these parameters only, my loan is rejected or approved, I can able to take a decision just like equivalent to that of a AI model, then that is called interpretable model. That is called as interpretable model. The decision taken by the system, I can able to analyze and I can able to tell this system will give this answer only. That is called interpretable. If the system is interpretable means automatically it is a transparent model. I can know each and every move of the system, then that is a transparent model. If it is a transparent model means automatically what happened, decision is very fair. It is a fair decision. Okay, so these are all the three key terms. One is interpretability, another one is transparent, another transparency, another one is fairness. So these are the key terms, and we are having different terms like intrinsic explainability, post-hoc explainability, like that. What is intrinsic explainability? We will see. So if your design itself is understandable, so I am giving the input, it is going here, it will do like this, and it will come here, it will do like this, if and else it will compare, and the result will come here. The design architecture itself is, internal architecture itself is understandable. or interpretable means that are called as intrinsic explainability. Post-hoc explainability means what I have explained now, that is post-hoc explainability. That means we can't able to understand deep learning model and ensemble model. These are very, very complicated. Even we cannot understand how many neurons are connected internally, where it is going, how weights are analyzed, how many weights are adjusted each and every iteration, how many biases are varying, how many neurons are firing. These all things we cannot able to see in a stretch, since it is very, very complicated at all. Even human, beyond our human assumption, it requires day and weeks by weeks work to analyze the complete computational process. So what we are doing is we are training the model, and after that results are coming. That results we are taking and analyzing. That is simple. That is called as after training. We are post hoc. That is called as post training method. So after training, what results coming, that we are taking into consideration and we are doing the analysis. That is called as post hoc explainability. Global explanation means if you give 100 sample means the model will analyze 100 sample and it will give prediction on 100 based on the 100 sample results. Overall, the model is how it is doing on and average, how the model is performing. That is called global explanation. This is given that useful for model validation, auditing, understanding general decisions. Not a single customer, not me only. If 1,000 applications are processing means out of 1,000 application, how it is processing, how it is giving results. That is called as famous data set is Titanic data set. How many are survived, how many are not on roll. That is called global. Local explanation means only one sample I am taking. Leo Joseph sample only taken, analyzed and predict the results. That is called as local explanation. Only one instance. Out of 100 sample, I will take one sample and I will analyze and I will predict whether it is correct or not. That is called as local explanation. These are used for medical diagnosis. For medical diagnosis, one single patient information is very, very vital for prediction. So single patient I will take, I will analyze and tell him, sir, your result is this. That is called as local explanation. So these are all the things. Here is a tree diagram. You can see intrinsic, post hoc, interpretable models. These are black box model. Explanation technique is after training. These are decision tree, linear regression, anything you can use for this. Okay. So like this, we can tell these are the key terms while studying this. Now we are going to analyze a student data. Now we will understand. Student data is based on attendance, marks, and assignments. It is given to an interpretable model. Prediction, student needs support or not. This is the decision we are expecting. So same thing we are taking. Attendance is 60%, internal marks 45, assignment score 50. So what based on the training data, it is learning the weights. Attendance is given high preference. Internal marks also very high. And assignments are very less. Some staff may give assignments, some staff may not give assignment. They may call for different assessment technique. In that aspect, they are giving less weights. So on how it is doing prediction, 0.4 into 60. This one, yes, particular student 60 and plus 0.4 into 45 plus 0.2 into 50. Based on that, I am getting the score 52. 52 means 52 out of 100. Out of 100, 52 students represent what? Students' overall performance. So overall class performance is what? Based on this percentage and other things. This is not single student result. This is the average of entire class. Internal marks are 45. On and average, they are getting only 45. Attendance percentage is on and average it is 60. Assignment score is on and average it is 50. So on that basis, the overall prediction is 52. 52 means what? It is the threshold limit. Based on the threshold limit, we are taking it as 70. If the class average should cross 70, then 52 is very less. So automatically the system will tell what? Student needs academic support. All students have to need academic support. Then they need some advisor. They need to, we need to improve the assignments. We need to improve the class test, internal marks, and whatever may be, we need to improve. Then only the threshold limit will cross. Like that, in that manner, if each and everything we can able to explain in a gentle manner, we should not explain. A model is explained. What is the decision, how it is made? That is explained in a transparent manner means then our ultimate aim of explaining the AI concepts will be ultimately clear. It will increase the trustworthiness as well as the system become very fair. So in the next upcoming levels, we are going to see what are all the different processes and techniques involved in explaining different models that we are going to see in the upcoming lecture sessions. Along with, we are planning to create some Google notebook based hands-on exercise. So you can able to analyze the graphs also parallelly. So thank you for all your supports. Hope this lecture is very clear to you. What is the aim of this explainable AI theme or subject? So in the comments, you can tell me what are the improvements you require. If my words and other things are understandable and it is crystal clear, means give a fair comment. Otherwise, give suggestions so that I can improve myself and I can give a best of my abilities to you. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all for listening my lecture. In this aspect, I am concluding the session right now. We will meet you all in the next set of things. Until then, greetings and wishes and good day to all. Thank you everyone.